Have you ever looked at an old shirt, a worn out pair of jeans, or a dress you haven't worn in years and thought, there has to be something better I can do with this? Well, today we're about to find out. I found some absolutely amazing upcycled clothing ideas on Pinterest that prove you don't have to spend a fortune to create a wardrobe that's stylish, unique, and completely your own. Some of these transformations are surprisingly simple, while others are so creative they look like they came straight from a designer boutique. Whether you're an experienced sewer, just getting started, or you simply enjoy seeing what's possible with a little imagination, I think you're going to find plenty of inspiration in today's collection. One of the things I love most about upcycling is that it encourages us to look at clothing in a completely different way. Instead of seeing something that's outdated or no longer fits your style, you start seeing possibilities. A plain shirt becomes a fashionable top, oversized jeans become a trendy skirt, and forgotten fabric scraps become beautiful details that make each project one of a kind. That's the beauty of creativity. It allows us to turn ordinary things into something extraordinary. As you're watching, pay attention to the little details that catch your eye because sometimes it's just one sleeve, one neckline, or one clever embellishment that sparks your next favorite project. If you see a design you'd love to recreate, be sure to vote for it by leaving its number in the comments below. Once we reach 100 votes, I may recreate the winning design here on the channel so we can see exactly how it's made. The original inspiration images featured in today's video are linked in the description if you'd like to save your favorites for later. Now grab your favorite drink, get comfortable, and let's dive into these incredible upcycled clothing ideas to see which one inspires you the most. One of the most exciting things about upcycling clothing is that there are no rules saying you have to create something exactly the way someone else did. Every project you see today can become the starting point for something completely unique. That's one of the reasons I enjoy sharing these inspiration videos so much. They aren't about copying someone else's work piece for piece. They're about opening the door to new possibilities and encouraging you to experiment with your own ideas. The more you create, the more confidence you build, and before long you'll start seeing potential in clothing that other people would pass right by. Every project is an opportunity to learn a new technique, improve a skill, or discover a design style you didn't even know you loved. Even the projects that don't turn out exactly as planned usually teach us something valuable for the next one. That's part of what makes sewing and upcycling such rewarding hobbies. They remind us that creativity isn't about perfection, it's about enjoying the process and giving ourselves permission to try something new. If you're enjoying today's inspiration, I'd really appreciate it if you'd give this video a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe to the channel for more sewing, upcycling, DIY fashion, and creative inspiration. If you're ready to start creating your own projects, you'll also find more sewing and upcycling tutorial videos along with helpful playlists, linked in the description to keep your creativity flowing. I've also linked some sewing tools, supplies, and other products in the description that you might find useful for your everyday sewing adventures. I hope today's ideas inspire you to dust off that sewing machine, look at your closet with fresh eyes, and discover just how much potential is already waiting for you at home. As you continue watching these incredible transformations, I hope you're reminded that creativity doesn't have to be expensive to be rewarding. Some of the most memorable projects begin with something that's already hanging in a closet or folded away in a drawer, just waiting for someone to see its potential. Every stitch you sew and every creative choice you make adds a little bit of your own personality to the finished piece, and that's something you simply can't buy off a store rack. Don't be afraid to experiment with color combinations, trims, lace embroidery, or unexpected fabric pairings, because those little details are often what turn a nice project into something truly unforgettable. Even if your first attempt isn't exactly what you pictured, keep going. Every project builds confidence, improves your skills, and teaches you something that will make the next one even better. Before you know it, you'll start looking at thrift stores, clearance racks, and even your own closet as a collection of possibilities instead of finished garments. If you're looking for even more inspiration after today's video, be sure to check out the sewing and upcycling tutorial videos along with the related playlists that I've linked in the description. You'll also find some sewing tools, notions, and other products linked below that you might find useful for your everyday sewing adventures. My hope is that today's ideas inspire you to create something that makes you smile every time you wear it. Because there's something incredibly special about being able to say, I made this. Thank you so much for spending your time with me. There is a video on the screen for you to watch next, and I'll see you there.